If you're a 1099 contractor or hire 1099 workers, stop scrolling. This is super important to know.
So let's discuss the two main types of 1099 forms that you will likely be dealing with as a small business owner. The first is 1099Ks and the second is 1099 NECs. So a 1099K form is actually sent by a payment settlement entity, such as PayPal or Stripe or Venmo. The previous rule was that these PSCs only needed to send you a 1099K form for anything over $20,000 and 200 plus transactions. This is conjunctive, meaning that not a lot of people were getting sent 1099Ks by PSCs. The new rule, with the entire economy moving more towards the digital and online space, the government noticed that people were not reporting income correctly, which initiated this new rule by the IRS so that PSCs would have to send a 1099K form for anything over $600. This was slated to begin on January 1st, 2022, meaning that it would come into effect for 2022 tax filing this spring in 2023. But in December, the IRS delayed this regulation for transactions to begin until January 1st, 2023, which means that this won't come into effect until 2023 tax filing, which will happen next year in 2024. So again, those are 1099K forms that are sent by payment settlement entities. 1099 NEC forms are the generic 1099s that are sent by you as a business owner to contractors. So if you have contractors, this is the one that you need to know about. The rule here is the same across the board. Any amount directly paid to a contractor over $600, any contractor that makes this amount or more from your business, you will have to personally send a 1099 NEC form to. Usually you're paying this $600 through direct deposit or check or cash. Again, if you're paying them through PayPal, you don't need to worry about sending them this because this is the payment settlement entity's responsibility. So all of your 1099 forms are always due by January 31st. So what does this mean for you? Nothing! This new delayed rule really is only going to benefit payment settlement entities for them to get their shiz together because they're going to be sending a lot more 1099Ks, and it will help the IRS right now because they have a lot on their plate and of course they are probably understaffed. So for you as a business owner, two things. Just make sure to claim all of your income, whether you're making it via PayPal or Venmo, or you're making it from a business sending you money as a contractor. And two, if you're a business owner who hires contractors, make sure you properly send 1099s correctly this month by January 31st. And if you have any questions, talk with your CPA always.